Hi folks, Jobin here. Got an unboxing video. Good enough. It is a Leatherman Supertool 300. Picked this up new in box on eBay a few days ago. Let's see. What's the best way to get in there? That looks like a good place to attack. Holy crap. It's like laminated cardboard. Let's see what that got us. Ah. There we go. Alright. Holy crap, this thing is like huge. Thought about getting the Wave. I went with this one because, well, first off, it was a little cheaper. And I kind of liked the idea of the replaceable cutters. Replaceable wire cutters. And it has a few tools that the Wave doesn't have. So what do we have here? It's a nice saw. Particularly in awl, and I think there is one in here somewhere. Yep, here it is. That's good. That's something I think is pretty important for basically any tool to have. Try to get it on all my Swiss Army knives if I can too. This thing's a beast, man. I think it weighs like a pound. Let's check out the sheath. What we got? There's a simple belt loop and feels like, they're kind of small, but they're, I guess you could mount this horizontal. Seems like that was probably the intent with these slots here. You put your belt through like that. There's like little tubes down the side. Not sure what those are for, but look like they could be useful. Maybe fit a pen in there or something. A little short for that. I don't know. Fire steel. This is really cool. It's got a ruler on the side. These are some of like the toughest, strongest looking pliers I've ever seen. Not just in a folding tool, but basically like everywhere. It's fairly stiff to open and shut. It takes it definitely takes both hands. I'm not sure that's really I don't think that's really a bad thing, but it is kind of noteworthy. I was worried a little bit about the fact that when it's open, you know, you're going to be gripping down on the open sides with the tools. I thought maybe that would be uncomfortable, and it's not perfect. I mean, it would be better if it was the other way around and you were squeezing down on this flat side with the filled in back, but they did a nice job of rounding all the corners here. And none of the tools stick up past the edge of the frame. So in that respect, it seems pretty well designed. The blades seem to have come fairly sharp. the saw again. Tiny bit of blade play, but it's enough to keep it from closing on your fingers. The tools seem pretty well machined. So yeah, Leatherman Supertool 300 heavy duty multi-tool. It's about 5 and almost 6 minutes in, so I'm going to cut this off because I'm pretty sure I'm just rambling at this point. I'll give a report back, do a review video of this eventually after I've used it for a while, and I have some educated thoughts on it. But initial impression, very high quality. Construction seems, you know, almost overbuilt. It's really heavy duty tool. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this. You have a nice day now. Alright, back again for a quick second. I just discovered something kind of interesting about the main plain edge blade. As you can probably see here, it's really interesting. It sort of bows out a little bit towards the end. It's sort of creating a little bit of a recurve. This is basically straight edge. There's just a little more material bowing out there. And if that's intentional, that's actually pretty clever, because that's one of the highest wear parts of the blade, especially if you ever do a lot of cutting like on a surface. That's the part that rubs, that's the part that's going to wear down the fastest. So that's a really interesting little detail. Thought that was cool. Alright, bye-bye again.